was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
More than I can say, do it to me. More than I can say, do it to me.
Hello, good day, beautiful people of the internet. What a fine morning today. For everyone who is new to my channel, hello, welcome. This is Ena Francia. I am a Filipino. I am currently outside the country. I am working and living here in Vietnam for 2 years now. I think the first question, guys, in your mind is that where I am now. And I am here in Tao Dien. I am in District 2 of Ho Chi Minh City. And Tao Dien is known for being an expat area, a home of foreigners area. So I belong here somehow. It is actually a tough decision for me to be here. It's a 20-minute drive away from the city center. If I will compare this area, I am closer to NLEX. So I am getting further. Hopefully I will not live outside Saigon, guys. Fingers crossed to that. One more life update, guys, is I have roommates now. So I don't know if you can notice that my voice is a bit toned down. That is a decision that I and my roommates have made last few weeks, and yep, we just moved in together. This is a new start for me. I want to be with them, and I want to put myself out there and socialize myself. Since yesterday, I was feeling great, and I also got a chance to watch Netflix. Currently, I am watching Love Island. I love watching those series that doesn't require cognitive processes. Just me using my emotions and my rantings. That type of reality shows separates me away from work, heavy responsibilities. I just miss the days when I have lesser responsibilities, especially when I was in primary school. I just have to study. I just have to pass all the subjects, and I just have to memorize the notes in my xylophone. Yes, I was in marching band when I was in elementary. Also remember my persistent and dedicated trainer, Kuya Darwin. Hello, what's up? I just miss my youthful and carefree days. But snapping myself to the reality, I have so much things to do today. I haven't unpacked my things yet. There are boxes there waiting for me, and I have to buy some stuff. Also food, I have to store food for the next coming week. I also want to update you guys also with the pandemic situation here in Vietnam. Some subscribers and even my relatives are asking me how Vietnam's doing. I'll just give you a quick update, but the situation here is that we are currently in the 4th wave. Higher cases are recorded. So this week we are hitting 100 to 200 cases nationwide. The concentration of the cases is in Hanoi, Da Nang, and here in Ho Chi Minh City. So that alarms the people and also the government here in Vietnam. The government here is aggressive on contract tracing. With transportation, my Grab app has been grayed out, so I cannot book with Grab lately. Some restaurants are closed while some just accommodate 20% of their capacity, but they are open for takeaway. Takeaway is the term here for takeout, and they are open for deliveries. Government is also strict approving tourist visas, and government only allows diplomats, people with business visas, and with that, it is not advisable to travel here in Vietnam as a tourist. That's just the mini update about the pandemic here in Vietnam. I'll just do a thorough and more detailed video about that. It's tough talking about it, but it's the reality that we are facing now. All we have to do is take a grip. Kaya natin yan, guys. Anyway, I will just clean up a bit. I will do some arrangements, and I can hear my things and my stuff screaming. They wanted to settle themselves. I wouldn't really tour you guys for now. I will just clean up. We'll get there soon. And of course, I want to show you my room more decently, more personality. That's it, guys. Let's go. Let's use this rice para maubos na. news flash, guys. There's an update about Ho Chi Minh, about Vietnam. The government is imposing 2-week social distancing, gonna last for 14-15 days. I really have to go out and store some food. Yeah, the condition here is not so good. I just got home. It's already nighttime. I bought some food and some essentials. The lockdown will last for 2 weeks. I'll probably take a shower after recording this. And don't forget to wear your masks at all times. Always bring alcohol. If it's not needed to go outside, we probably just stay home. Ayun, thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will just update you what's gonna happen in Vietnam, in Saigon, in Ho Chi Minh. Keep safe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.